We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing words and vocabulary as well in English, like this word. Stay tuned to learn more. So let's break down the two correct ways of pronouncing this word. The first phonetical spelling that you can see here is as tissue. T-shoe. Okay, you have a double S, but it's a sh sound. Stress on the first syllable, the second correct way of pronouncing it. And both pronunciations are used both in British English and in American English is as tissue. Two different ways of pronouncing correctly this word, tissue or tissue. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.